What's the meaning of consign? Consign. Consign.
Consign. Consign. The verb consign means to transfer or entrust something to someone else's care, typically with the implication of finality or permanence. When you consign something, you are giving it up and delivering it into someone else's hands. This can be for various reasons, such as to sell it, store it, or dispose of it. The result of consigning an item is that it becomes the responsibility of the consignee, who assumes ownership or responsibility for it. Essentially, consigning is a way of delegating control or authority over something to another party.